Hello everybody. In today's video, what I'm going to show here is selecting values with a form control list box on an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm in a one sheet where this is my HR dashboard. Based on the list, when I click in this control box, suppose when I click into Pooja Bhandari, the same staff name will appear on the right hand side. And based on that information, all the other relative information will be automatically displayed over here. Okay, so how can I create this form control list box? It's a very easy. It's not a complicated. There is nothing Visual Basic knowledge you should have. Okay, so there is no any kind of Visual Basic code we have to use for this one. Okay, let me first show this one. Okay. So here I have a list of stuff here. Whenever I am click somewhere in this control box, the same name will be appear on my right hand side. Based on that information, department, hire date, salary, and rest of all information will be automatically updated. Okay. So how should I create this one form control list box? Okay. First I'll delete this one. I've already created this one, so I'll delete this one. Okay. And here also I'll delete the value of everything over here. So there is a VLOOKUP formula. Okay, when I click on the formula bar, so currently I want to hide the formula bar. So all here are all the VLOOKUP formula. I'm not going to discuss VLOOKUP formula over here. Now, all my staff informations are in HR data. So this is a HR data sheet where every single list of the staff are over here. I almost have 190 staff over here. Now on this dashboard, I have to display those staff lists over here. Okay, so to create that form control list box, you have to first activate the developer tab. Here, there is already a developer tab is over here. If you haven't seen your developer tab in your Excel sheet, then first you have to go to File. After File, go to the option. Then in option, you will see their customized ribbon. Okay. After when you click the customized ribbon, on your right hand side, customized ribbon, you will see all the list of your main tabs. Okay, home, insert, page layout, formula, and everything. As a default, it will be unchecked. Okay, so it will be unchecked as a default. So you have to click here. Once you click on the developer tab, click on the developer tab and click on OK. After that, you will see this developer tab under control tab. There's insert. Click on insert, and there is form control. So this one, list box form control. Okay, it's a fifth icon. First, second, third, fourth icon. I'll click that fifth icon, and I have to draw that control box over here. I'll just drag one small size here. Okay, done. So I've designed one form list box here. Now, in this list box, I have to bring all this information over here. Okay, so for that one, once I insert the form control box, let's right click. Once you right click, you will see a few menus over here. At the very bottom, there is form control. So this form needs to be controlled. So I'll click on form control. Once you click in the form control, go to the control, last tab, control tab. Here, the basic important things are two major important things. One is input range, from where you are bringing all that information, and cell link. Cell link, I'll define later, cell link. Okay, for the input range means I have to bring that information into my list here. So input range, I'll click here, go to the HR data. 2 to 191, and I'll click done, and cell link. Okay, now cell link, I'll click somewhere over here. So cell link means let's say I click in okay, I have clicked into S26. So I have an input range over here. Input range is from the HR database, and the cell link is S26. Then I'll click OK. So I'll click from the outside. Now all those lists are displayed inside this form control list box. When I click this one, this is the first one, you will see here the link is something like whichever name you have clicked here, it will display the relative row number. That means this Rajesh Kumar Jha, if you go to the HR database, this Rajesh Kumar Jha is the first top number, top row. This is in the first row. Yeah, this is first row, this is second row, this is third row, something like that. So when I click into this the first one, it will show me one here. When I click into Puja, says in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, it will change into fifth. Okay, in this way, whenever I click somewhere, some values inside this list box, this link number is showing me the associate row number. Okay, so that means this Amish special is in 16 row. Something like when I click somewhere in Anil Bhatrai, that person is in 23rd. So this way, you will insert this box over here with the help of developer tab. Now, I have done with this part. Now, what I need to do here is whatever value I click here, that should be displayed here. Okay, here is a value. Here is a formula. Here is a VLOOKUP formula. When you click on somewhere here, there is a VLOOKUP formula. Currently, there is nothing here. Currently, there is nothing here. That's why NA is showing. So now my second step is when I click somewhere here, that associate staff name should be displayed to this employee one. So how I can do that one is with the help of index. Yeah, index. So here I have to write very simple formula equals to index. The index, and it will ask you array means index. Then after array means from where you have to bring that value. Okay, so array is something like table. So equals to index array. Where is your list? My list is in HR data from here to here. Done. Then I'll put comma. Then I'll go over here. Okay. So index, bring the information from that HR data A1 to A31, comma. Then it will ask you for row number. From which row number? Okay. In this row number, I'll click here. Okay. That means whatever row number over here, if that is row number 3, that will give me the information of row number 3. If this row number is a 10, then the 10th row information will be displayed over here. Okay, so index, then this is the value, this is a table from where I need to bring that information. Then comma, row number is this one. Whatever value of display over here, I need to display the associated information. Comma, since I have a only single column, I'll put 0 over here. Now press enter. Done. Okay. Now when I click on the top, Ramesh, when I click on Ramesh Kumar Jha, it will give me a row number 1. So the formula here, what this formula is doing here is index, bring the information from that HR table from A2 to A191, looking into the row number. If this is row number 1, bring the row number 1 information here. If this will be the row 10, bring the information of row 10. Okay. When I click this Santosh Bandari, that is in row number 7. So once the 7 is automatically changed over here, that value will be considered over here, and the Santosh Bandari will be displayed here. Okay, so this way we will create a simple form list control box to bring all the information from your database to over here. Okay, I think this video is useful to you, and This is a very simple information. This is a very basic things. There is nothing any VBA code we have used. Yeah, just only you have to link. You have to go to the form control box. Just right click. Okay, just right click. When you insert that form list, just right click and go to the form control. If you go into the form control, you have seen here input range. Input range means bring that information over here. Okay, then the cell link. Cell link means which cell. I'm linking this cell. Okay, whatever value change over here, it will automatically bring the information over there. Okay, okay. So this way, this is in design mode. When I click somewhere outside, it will activate it. This is in active mode. Okay, this is in active mode. When I right click, this is in design mode. This is in design mode. When I click somewhere outside, this is activated mode. Okay, this way you can bring that information inside the form control list box. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you think that this information is helpful to your friends or some other colleagues, kindly share this video to him or her so that they can also learn something new from this video. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Thank you.